Hi, this is my bearded dragon Carlos, and as you can see he has a wonderful enclosure that I made because I am so talented. But alas, the time has come and we have to build him a new one because not only is that little rampy thing too small for him, he also pooped on the top level. Here's all the equipment I have and my sketch of what's gonna happen that didn't happen. Since Bunnings didn't have the size of styrofoam sheet that I needed, I had to do some very scientific calculations on how to cut this thing. By scientific, I mean eyeballing it. You know what, I'm actually really good at measuring stuff by eye. The other day, I held it in my hands and I said, this is 50 centimeters, and my boyfriend said, you want to bet? Pulled out a measuring tape and was like, wow, 52 centimeters, that's really good. Working on this project was great because I got to be like a little excavator just scooping away at all the styrofoam. It kind of sucked and was hard to do though because there's like a layer of plastic on the top. But once you get past that, it's fine. Happy days. Here's some ASMR because I know you want it. This process was so exhausting, I had to do it in shifts. And of course, my idea to puzzle the pieces together did not work and looked janky. I thought that I could use toothpicks to combine the two layers together, but of course it didn't work, so new plan. And I should warn you, it's actually not a good idea to have flammable fluids around a flammable source. That is petrol. And here you can see my first mistake. Putting these stupid little wood blocks in because I thought it would make it more stable. But no, so silly because now I can't carve it out because the wooden blocks are in the way. So I have to rip the whole thing off and start again. I was so dumb for this. That's all of the foam that I had left in the canister. So I just started putting the old pieces back into it. But I mean, that didn't really do much, so I had to buy a mini can, and hooray, we're back to cleaning up the board. Unfortunately, the spoon kept slipping into my nail bed, which really hurt, so I don't recommend doing that. That being said, it looked really good. Now onto my favorite part. I used this outside wall sand paint stuff. Try type that into a search engine. But yeah, I only had a small amount left from the last time that I used it, so I was being very, very meticulous about putting it on as a thin layer, crossing my fingers that the foam wouldn't soak it all up. After that all dried, it was time to start working on the bridge, so I found a nice stick, and it broke, of course. So I found an even bigger stick, and it didn't work. So I gave up on the stick and tried very hard to start weaving as if my Fijian ancestors were watching me in disgust, because what is this? And hooray, we get to be an excavator again, this time cleaning out all the sand. I removed the old wall, put the new one in. My boyfriend had to hold the light thing over so that I could make sure that the little clips wouldn't get in the way of the wall. And travesty struck once again.
This is ridiculous. I went to put it in and then it just popped.
And it struck again because I thought, hey, balloon's broken, how about I use alfoil and then when I go to take it out, I'll like compress it all so then I can pull it out. But no, because I wrapped it in cling wrap, which meant that it didn't dry properly. And this poor lizard has been divided in this little tiny corner and he hates it.
This guy is trying to rock climb.
Here's where I start to emotionally fall apart.
I think this is pretty ready. Excuse me. Just wait. Can you just wait? Wait. Okay, I got this chopstick. Oh. Oh no. Maybe this won't work. Oh no. I thought maybe... Dang it. You're joking. I thought maybe I didn't compact it enough and then... This is so stupid. Oh, can't believe I built a whole new cage just for this to not work. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. What the...
I could have let myself spiral into a deep pit of sadness, but instead found myself singing the Wallace and Gromit theme song. And hooray! I fixed it. Look at this guy, he's so cute. He's not the brightest, but I love him, so. Hooray! We are little excavators again, but this time, I guess it's the opposite because we're putting sand back in. Quick intermission while we watch Carlos eat because he's so cute. Look at him, he's a little sand puppy. Oh, he's so cute. I can't. Oh, I love it. Look at him. Oh, proud mom. I'm genuinely surprised how much Carlos likes this thing, even though I slapped it together with a couple of solo cups. And that first night, he must have been so exhausted from all the excitement, he fell asleep in his food bowl. And here we have it. Carlos's beautiful new cage with a handmade ramp thing, climbing whatever, a cheeky little hammock, and, you know, some plants for decoration. I think the only downside of this design is that I can't open the broken door anymore because the hammock's there, but small price to pay for luxury. He's clearly still adjusting. Thanks for watching. Bye!